there are 4 objectives that logistics practitioner should always remember. The 4 objectives should: number 1, reduce the number of inventories without affecting the operations. No stock out, no overage. Second, you have to improve systems in your delivery performance. Reduce the number of lead times in delivering products and services. Third, consider product safety and security, protecting the items from damages and losses. And finally, quick response to customer requirements without delay. Thank you very much. Shukran. Ulit. Tignan ko kung nag-work to. Pag ito nag-work, okay na. Ano to, 1 minute kasi nagmamadali tayo, 15 seconds nagtataka ako.